Good morning, everybody. Going to test out the Huey without the optical flow flying today. And now we have a slight breeze, 1.3 miles an hour. All right, let's see how she handles without the optical flow. So let's see. Fine. Gyro calibration. Green. Down, out. Slow takeoff. There we go. Alright, she's hovering steady with the optical flow, with the winds blowing. Well, there was wind blowing. And no wind blowing. Alright, well, no wind. Do manual mode regardless. Alright, in manual mode. It's drifting away. So, ooh, wow. So, it is a lot faster in manual mode. And it banks a lot higher. Whoa! Alright, alright. So I thought it was slow, but the optical flow is slowing this baby down a lot. So definitely you need space if you're going to do high speed flying, because it definitely swing at you, like you can see earlier. Don't lose your head, people. And it takes a lot longer to brake. Alright, optical flow mode back on. Yeah, definitely half the speed. Wind is blowing. Wind is blowing. I don't know if it's registering my optical flow mode or not. There's no light indicator saying that it's on optical flow or not that I can see from this distance. Seems like optical flow is off. That's why it's still zooming around a lot. Alright, we'll get a little bit closer, press the button again. Wind is blowing really hard. 6 miles an hour. There you go, optical flow on. It stopped by itself. I guess that's one way you can tell. It was zooming really fast. The wind was blowing 6 miles an hour, and you definitely had to put your hand on the sticks. .7, 3.3. So windy condition, optical flow is your friend. If you're new, optical flow is your friend. If you're not skilled and want to have a heart attack, shut off optical flow. Blowing hard again, optical flow is holding. 3 miles an hour wind. Low battery. Coming for landing, optical flow on to help with the landing. Maybe not. Didn't make it, ran out of fuel. Alright. There was a big difference between optical flow off and on. So you see it? Down and out. Let's do manual mode. Manual mode takeoff. Oop. Took too long to take off, so shut off the engine. Oh man, no battery ready. Alright, coming home. Manual mode, landing. Let's see it easy or not. Okay, well, it shut itself off again. Chopping some grass.